what's up?
This is the only one that doesn't have a toilet. I'm waiting to wash it, but the bathroom's not open yet. It's a struggle to clean out. It is the ultimate struggle.
Shaking baby.
Yeah, man.
I'm down.
Good. How many think? 2 or 1?
You got a
Get
piece
rid
of
of these
cake
2.
first.
Be ready till 11:30 or 12 to
Okay, yeah. We'll see if I do that, I'll feel less guilty about shuttling this way, but okay.
That was my river fording number 2. This time in Crocs. And also in my series of bones on the AT, I found this tooth of someone's, a canine tooth. Last evening I got news from Finland that our former president Mauno Koivisto has passed away. He was already 93 years old, so this wasn't unexpected, but I want to still send my condolences to his wife Tellervo Koivisto, and I wish that I have a chance to be in some town when the funeral are so that I could see it over internet. There hasn't been a presidential funeral in Finland. Well, there was been once in my lifetime, but I was 3 years old, so I would really like to see that. And he was serving 2 terms, so that was 12 years, and he started 1 year before I was born, so he was basically the president of Finland the whole of my childhood. Today I'm having a pretty relaxed pace. I'm heading to McAfee Knob. That is, I think, the most iconic views on the AT, and they say that it's the most photographed spot on the AT, and well, I don't think I can argue that. And there is only 10 miles to go there, and I'm planning to sit there and wait until the sun sets so that I could get some sunset photos, and also until the darkness comes so that I could get some star photos. I think that would be cool. And after that, I either go and find the nearest camping spot for me for the night, or then I'm going to do some night hiking. It really depends how I feel. But this has actually been a beautiful day for hiking. The sun is finally coming out. There is this gentle breeze. The temperature is just perfect. And after the past few days of rain, it's really wonderful to have good weather finally. And even though it's not raining all the time, it's kind of stressful to know that it's supposed to rain, because you're kind of afraid of the rain all day. And yeah, I think I'm finally a little bit getting used to all that rain, and I know that I'm able to deal with it, but still it's not nice to be wet, and it's not nice when all your gear is kind of damp. So I really do appreciate the sunshine. So I'm still sitting at the McAfee knob and I'm waiting it to be completely dark so that I could get some star photos. I already got the beautiful sunset that I was wishing for, and then I'm planning to do some night hiking. Either I'm going to Daleville, that's 16 miles, or then I just camp out somewhere. It depends how I feel. I'm at the Tinker Cliffs, and there's view to the McAfee's knob, and that's the pitch black right there. I've been hiking now about 5 miles, I guess, in there in the darkness with my head torch, of course, and I have still about 10 miles to go to Daleville, and there are lots of eyes staring at me from the darkness. All of the animals that I've been able to see are deer, and I suppose most of the eyes are also theirs. Usually when I see eyes in the darkness, when I look at them, they just stand there very still staring at me, so I think they are kind of trying to hide from me. I started to feel so tired that I decided it was wise to call it a day, or should I say call it a night. So it's 4 a.m. I put up my tent and I'm sleeping for a few hours, and then I will keep on hiking towards Daleville and a 0 day. Yay! Good night.